Hey guys, I am here doing some winter camping. That's why I'm all bundled up. And I wanted to show you what's in my kitchen bin. So I actually probably have way more stuff than most people do in their camping kitchen bins because when I moved out of my place, I actually put a lot of the stuff in here. So let's just get to it. So I literally have everything in here. I have my jet boil. And I got to take everything out because I put also the propane stove right at the bottom. So yeah, we got pots. Obviously you need fuel, propane. In here I got some spices. So here, I'll just show you. So I got various mugs, probably more than I need. But if I ever have anyone with me, I'm ready to help them out. Some cooking spray. Another mug. I got some bowls. These are just cheap ones from the dollar store. Some aluminum foil. Some measuring cups. More spices. And I got a couple different pans here. And then a bunch of plates. Cutting board. I got some Ziploc bags. Obviously a spatula. A lighter for the stove. And in this bin, I got all my cutlery and knives and stuff. Some cloths and towels. And sponge. Some Tupperware. A cheese grater. Like I said, I probably have more in here than most people keep in their camping totes. I got some dishwashing liquid. Yes, at the bottom we got the propane stove right here. That's about it. Oh, this is part of the stove that I need, the regulator. I'll show you my stove now. So this is my stove. It's a 2-burner Coleman stove, and it's probably like at least 30 years old because, I mean, you could probably tell it looks dirty, but it actually works great. It actually was my dad's, so we used it all the time growing up camping. And so it's really sentimental for me to be able to use this stove. So, yeah. And there we have it. Everything, yeah, all my kitchen stuff fits right in this tote. And now it's time to cook some dinner because I'm hungry. So I'm curious, do you think I need to reduce the amount of items that I keep in my kitchen bin? Let me know in the comments below.